Okay, good morning. As we left in the last video, we are up to assembling this, but there's a change of priority by the boss. I need to do something on the porch and put that in if it's enough length. Let's have a look. Just put along here so the sun won't come through anymore, and the dog too won't come in through here, hopefully. Okay, I got my assistant here to give me some help. I mean, to make everything harder. Still trying to work here. I need to buy a couple of wood lengths to put on the bottom and the side. Anyway, keep going with that. Okay, I can't finish the job completely because I need the length of this to go here, and then the length of this to go here. So we'll do it on the weekend when I buy it. So for now, what I'm going to do is just cut this bottom, and that's it. Okay, finish it off after the weekend when we buy those lengths of wood. That's it for now. That would stop a lot of sound anyway, and the doggy to come here, I guess. I hope. Okay, next. Time for lunch. Oh yeah, noodles. But I got the best. Spaghetti, yum. That's it. Okay, let's have a look at this fan. This is not straightforward. Okay, where to start? Let's have a look at the instructions. Wish me good luck. What annoys me the most is when the design is not similar to the instructions. So this is going first. Nothing meant to be easy. There's an option of extending. Yeah, I will use it. With the extension rod I put, everything will just straighten up by itself. See if it's not straight. So that's good, perfect. This is very heavy. So okay, black and white should be fine. Yep. Okay, we don't have ground here. No, I've been told it's the post of the electric company. It's made of metal. Apparently, this is the ground. I don't know. You guys will know. I don't know much about electricity. Okay, this is the ground. I'm not gonna use that. This is not straightforward. Nothing telling me how this. I'm probably gonna have to improvise myself, like I do often with instructions, because that will go out there after. But I'm gonna install the blades now. But before that, I'm gonna grab a beer. Thirsty. Cheers. Okay, the screws are there, and now these things this facing the motor, so it's very easy. Just like this. It's really nice to work on the veranda. I think you need to find the easy way to do this. So let's see what I come up with. Okay, enough for today. Good morning. Bella wants to be an artist too. Jam did this last night. Very nice. How much? 20,000 peso each?
Yeah. No, that's small.
You could send by DHL. Even more beautiful. My love.
You put inside.
Oh, let's have breakfast now.
Look, your hands, dirty.
I need to finish this ceiling fan. This is the motor side, which is down. So turn around. But anyway, we'll have to turn around and put it there. Interesting, there's a balancing kit, but I should not need it. We'll see how we go. I don't have earth here, so this is gonna go, it's gonna be on the way more than anything else. Lifted that thing up, kills me. It's about 10 kilo, and you have to position and a little bit not perfect balance on top of the table. The Cirque du Soleil. Circus. Anyway, that's it now. Yeah, let's finish off this beautiful spaghetti.
You want spaghetti?
Yeah, we got a salad and
No.
noodle. What is this?
Seaweed.
Seaweed. Oh, seaweed is good. Baby, don't play. Look, like this. Look.
You eat with this. You eat with this.
Okay, it's on position. We're connected. Just need the lights on. That's that. Oh, we just need to install the bulbs. I got two here. 6 watt. This no more than 40 watts, but this is 6 watt LED, which is much less. Yeah, let's test it before finishing off. Okay, that thing was spinning the wrong way, so you need to flick that the other way. See how it goes now. Okay, it's working, but the light's not working, so I need to troubleshoot that. But I got enough. I'm tired today, so there's a slow speed and a fast speed. This one should be the lights, but not working. That's terrible. But nice and cool here now. Huh? Yeah, Jim is happy. It's nice and cool. But I need to troubleshoot the light why it doesn't work and fix it. Anyway, enough for today. Yeah, troubleshooting there. I just don't see myself. I just don't see myself taking this thing down so hard. Wow. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.